What's up, everybody? I'm going to start working on this controller. I have some problem with my monitor. For some reason it doesn't want to work. I might have to buy a new one. So this control board is from a Subzero cooler. I'm going to open it up and see what's going on inside. See, there's no signal. I'm not sure what's going on here. Should work. Like, I know it's on, just doesn't want to register. Okay, let's open this bad boy and see if we can find any issues. But it's too bad because I really need the monitor for the microscope. Like, if I want to see anything in details, I really need a new monitor. It's okay, it's not a big deal, but just actually maybe it's a better opportunity to get a bigger screen, so I'm gonna look it up today. But I don't know what's going on there. So this guy is it's a wine cooler, either a wine cooler or just a bigger, kind of like a freezer under counter. And I have a wiring diagram here. I'm going to see. Customer complained that something is not working and it's related to this control board. It's from a Subzero unit. So let's see what we can find here. He brought this unit about 1.5 weeks ago. I know I'm a little bit behind. I have another controller. I'm pretty much cut off. Here, I'll show you. Oh, it's pretty easy controller, but let's see what we can find here. So there's a couple of screws I have to remove in order to access the back side. I want to see. Actually, let me stop the video. I'll take my electrical screwdriver because it's easier that way. Okay, I'm back now. Let's do it a little bit faster this way. Let's see if I can find any problems. And they put some more insulation on this one as well. I can see from both ends, which is suck for me. Okay, oh yeah, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Yeah, I can see right away. Hopefully it's not a transformer, it's just, okay, that's just a relay. That's not bad. Alright, so this is gonna be an easy fix, guys. This is the issue, as you can see. There's a couple options you can do. You can either just pretty much solder it back, and that should work. You can see there's a little explosion here. This is going to be this relay right there. I think I might have it. It's 12 volt DC G8P-1A4P. So I like to replace the relay completely just to be on the safe side, but yeah, this is the issue. It's gonna be a quick, easy fix. I'm just gonna stop the video and I will try to resource this. I think I might have it, I can't remember, but let me get back to you guys. I will see in my stock if I have this guy. If not, I'll have to order it and complete it probably tomorrow or the day after, so it's not bad. So yeah, this board will be fixed, no problems, no issues here. Let me get back to you guys. What's up, guys? Okay, so I found some used relays. I don't want to put used relays on this one. My screen is not working, unfortunately. I have to fix this issue. Not sure what's happened, but no big deal. I'm going to order this today, actually, once I finish this video, and it's probably gonna be here tomorrow or maybe the day after. and then I'll get it all fixed up. I'll show you how I fix it. It's quite easy fix. And that's my video for today. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. And again, I want to mention that we launched a new course, a new academy. It's $19 per month, subscription based, and you can sign up. And in this course I'll explain everything, how I do troubleshooting on few things. I don't want to go into details, but there's lots of materials, lots of useful information about control boards, about coffee machines, about espresso machines, about lots of stuff. So if you're interested, I'll share the link below, and then you can just sign in and it should be all good to go. If you guys have any questions, you can comment. Take care.